How to do the glitch or bug in BlockBlast. This is the latest glitch or bug you can try to get an extremely high score in BlockBlast. First, tap on the settings on the icon in the game, then tap on restart. Again and again until you get a 3x3 block. Now, place the 3x3 block in the position shown in this image. Place all the remaining blocks at the bottom of the board. Next, you need to get a 5-row block and place it in a specific way. Once you do that, the glitch will automatically activate and begin giving you a 2 3x3 blocks and 1 2x3 blocks. You can use these repeating blocks to build up an extremely high score. And that's it. The trick is complete.